How to filter dataset based on specific font. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter your dataset based on different font in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. We have names in column A and we have age in column B. I want to filter this data based on this font, which is Arial Black. Okay. I have two fonts here, Calibri and Arial Black, and I want to filter the entire range based on this font. So in general, if we press Ctrl Shift L, we can add filter to our range, and if I click on this filter drop down, and there is no way you can filter by font. Okay, so we need to use a technique. I'm going to press Ctrl F on my keyboard and click on Format, and here choose Format from Cell. If I click here, our cursor has changed to Format Picker. I'm going to select the cell that has our specific font. Okay, and now if I click on Find all the cell that has that specific font, which is Arial Black, is now listed here. Okay, if I press Ctrl A, all the cell that has specific font is now selected. Now let me change the fill color to yellow and close this. And if I scroll up and click on this filter drop down, here we have an option filter by color. If I click here, all the cell that has yellow background color is filtered, which is actually our specific font. Now if you need to remove the fill color, select the range and click on no fill. Now we have successfully filtered out our data range based on this specific font, which is Arial Black. All the range that is now visible is Arial Black font. This is how you can filter your data based on a specific font in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.